And the last one, question 14. X is the number of breakdowns in the week, and they're occurring at a rate of 1.5 per week. Find the probability there's no more than 2. No more than 2, happy at 2. So we got that. And yeah, we'll just do that one to start with. So no more than 2, less than 2 at 1.5. That gives us 0.808. We're now going to change it to 2 weeks. So y equals the number of breakdowns in 2 weeks. And that means it's a Poisson. This time we're going to average 3 in 2 weeks. And we want to know that the chance is at least 5 breakdowns. At least 5, so greater than or equal to 5 in 2 weeks. So just go back one level there. We want a greater than 5 in 2 weeks. And that one's given me 1847. And the interesting bit at the end here then. So we've got this firm and they're going to look at 6 weeks. So if we go for, pick another letter, Z equals number of breakdowns in 6 weeks. And then that means this is a Poisson and 6, 1.5. So we're expecting there to be 9 in total, average of 9 in those 6 weeks. And we're trying to find out, so we want the probability that Z greater than or equal to some value n, and we want this to be less than 5%. So let's have a play with that and see what we can get. So put it there. So our mean is 9. What do you think? What do you think? You get a refund at 9? So the chance of that happening, no, that's far too high. So let's try a few more. So we've got to about 15. Oh, that's a good one. So the probability that X is greater than or equal to 15 is 0.0414. That is less. Let's try the other side of it. And that would be too much. It was my first guess, I promise. And the other side of it would then, of course, be even smaller. So 16 would be even smaller. So this is the answer. We just got to check. I've got to read the actual thing. It says the full refund if there are more than n. So if there are more than 15 isn't that one, is it? More than 15 is this one here. Yeah. So just reading at this. So if the question said if n is, it says how many does it need to be more than, and this value here is more than 14. This value here is more than 15. We want to say it is more than 14 to get your refund.